Hey there, I'm Dr. Claw, and I'll be your instructor for business writing this fall 2019. It's actually the night before classes begin, but I am about to publish the site so that I can send you some announcements and emails and fun things like that. So I just wanted to let you know that when the course opens tomorrow, that not everything is going to be set up yet, but you will have something very specific that you can do, which is basically introducing yourself. So tomorrow, the first day of classes for your online class will be a lot like those first days of classes in your face-to-face class, where you meet your classmates, you meet me, you get to know each other. So if you have a chance tomorrow, you can log into our Canvas class and click on the modules button, or you can just follow the notes that say start here. But do note, if you click through the syllabus and all that stuff, I'm still kind of transferring things from summer classes or like spring classes, and I'm changing things up a little bit this semester to try to give you all a little bit more choice and hopefully reduce the amount of work you have to do. That sounds like a good thing, right? But anyway, I've got a full introduction of myself over on Yellow Dag, and if you don't know what that is, you're going to find out when you click through on our class Canvas. So I'm looking forward to learning more about you this fall 2019. Bye.